Question number 22. Okay. Three changes may affect the climate change. Okay. Increasing the capture of carbon dioxide. See, when you say climate change, what do you mean by that? Climate change may be accompanied with a rise or fall in temperature. How does it actually occur? Maybe because of release of gases, because of radiations. Okay, something in the atmosphere is getting affected. Now, let us read the questions, keeping this in mind. Increasing the capture of carbon dioxide and then the storing it. So you are capturing the carbon dioxide, okay, increasing the capture of carbon dioxide and then storing it. So definitely it will affect the environment. So one of them is right option. Changing the fuel of power stations from natural gas to uranium-235. When you use uranium-235, there's a possibility of some radiations being given out. So therefore, B2 can also be the right answer. Changing the fuel of power stations from natural gas to oil. Definitely not. Okay, it is not going to release any harmful gases into the atmosphere. So both of them, okay, are same. So therefore, this will not get affected, and hence answer is 1 and 2. Answer is A over here.